All right, I am just going to give you a quick overview of one of our favorite websites. So we actually use screencasting at the end of our last semester, so kind of have a basic idea of it. The funny part is when I went to upload my YouTube from the end of the last class, I guess not semester, last class, my presentation from like 6 years ago was there, and I forgot how terrible that my final presentation was at the time. I mean, maybe it wasn't terrible, but so it's nice to have a good refresher on how the screen recording works with this program. So one of our favorite game sites that we use is pbskids.org. In my household, we're big PBS fans, like super nerd. Um, I only also get 5 channels, so I mean PBS Kids is our main one. But one thing that I love about the PBS Kids site is that it's primarily mostly learning games. Um, I like that you can hover over the apps and it will tell you, because obviously, when you're a small child, you don't always read. Sometimes you have to listen, and I mean, even some of the best readers have to do listening anyway. Um, I like that there's new games, popular games. The thing I don't like is it doesn't read the game titles. There's a cool Arthur podcast, and he talks about even stuff like adults would enjoy. Um, but then I like that you can click into that feature and you can find all of the games upon the site as well. And so there's like new games, there's popular ones. It reads it to you. I mean, that's really cool. If you have a game based on your show, you can click through and finish looking at like the different games based on the show. Um, or to give you science, dinosaurs. I'm not sure why this tab doesn't read through it, but I do like that feature as well, that it will read through those. But anyways, like I said, I think I've got a pretty good idea of how Screencast works.